Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Quickbase to manage approvals for requests step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Quickbase account. Navigate to the application where you want to configure the approval process. Click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of your application. Select the tables option from the drop-down menu. Choose the table that will contain your request forms. Click on the Fields tab to add necessary fields for approval management. Create a new field titled Approval Status. Set the field type to drop-down. Select the form you want to use for new requests. Drag and drop the new approver and approval status fields onto the form. Ensure these fields are set to be visible for users submitting requests. Save your changes to the request form. Next, navigate to the Reports section to create an approval dashboard. Click on New Report and select Table Report. Configure the report to display fields like request name, approver, and approval status. Set filters to show only requests that are pending. Go to the Notifications section in the Application settings. Create a new notification for pending requests. Choose the condition to trigger the notification when approval status is pending. Select the appropriate approvers to receive this notification. Draft a message that informs approvers about the pending request. Save your notification settings. Finally, test your configuration by submitting a sample request. Make sure the approval workflow functions as expected. Check if the approver receives the notification for pending approval. Review the pending approvals report for accuracy. Once confirmed, your Quickbase application will be ready to manage approvals efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.